Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to unbox the Infinix Note 12, and this is a new smartphone from Infinix which is costing around 31,000 PKR. In this price range we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and this phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display on the front. And guys, in this Infinix Note 12 series we also have an Infinix Note 12 VIP which hasn't launched in the Pakistan market yet, and the color I have is the jewel blue color, and this phone also manufactured in Pakistan. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone has a MediaTek Helio G88 processor which is same as the Infinix Note 11, no improvement in the processor wise. And guys, and the Infinix Note 12 also launched with the MediaTek Helio G96 processor, and that variant has not launched in the Pakistan market yet. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, Android 11, no Android 12 on this phone. Again, on the back we have 50 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and an AI lens. On the back we also have a quad LED flash. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. This phone also has an AMOLED display, also with 5000 mAh battery size. We also have 33 watt fast charging. So now let's quickly unbox the Infinix Note 12. Now let's see that what is the difference between the previous Infinix Note 11 versus the Infinix Note 12. First, let me remove the plastic like this. And this phone also available in the white color, I believe. But let's see that how is the Note 12 looks like in this blue color. Now let's open this box. On the top we have box, and here is our device, Infinix Note 12. Now let's out the phone from this box like this, and you can see here is the Infinix Note 12, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Infinix Note 12. This phone is almost 8mm thick. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and here is the jewel blue color looks like of the Infinix Note 12, and the design language of this phone is very similar to the Infinix Note 11. Only difference is that on this side we have a glossy finish this time as compared to matte finish completely on the previous Infinix Note 11. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get and then the phone. And the first thing, we get an IMEI sticker. We also have a soft silicone case, 1 year warranty card, and here is our silicone case, and you can see which looks really good in this black color. We also have an invitation of joining the X Club, X Spark. Here is our charger, and guys you can see that it is a 10 volt with a 3.3 ampere, and guys, and this is a 33 watt fast charger. We also have a cable which is a USB type C to USB A cable. As you can see, we also have SIM injection tool. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Infinix Note 12. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone as well as headphone jack. So on the left hand side we have SIM tray on this phone. So now let's look at the SIM tray. Let's see, and you can see you can use 1 micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. Inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber, so that's very good thing. On the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button, in which we also have a side mode fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel main with f1.6 aperture. Also we have 2 megapixel depth sensor and AI lens on this phone with a quad LED flash, and you can see, and the camera layout on this phone is exactly the same as the Infinix Note 11. On the bottom we have matte finish. I really like this blue color of the Infinix Note 12. So on the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, no 90Hz on the Infinix Note 12. So also on the top we also have a water drop notch, U-shaped notch, which looks outdated, and the punch hole is a must thing in this price range. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Infinix Note 12, and you can see. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that we have AMOLED display on this phone. Yes, we have an improvement in this AMOLED display. Now it is more brighter as compared to the previous Infinix Note 11. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go to my phone, and this phone is running on Android 11, and that's really disappointing on this phone. We should see Android 12, MediaTek Helio G88. This phone is running on XOS version 10, let's see the internal storage. We have 128 GB of internal storage out of 18.84 GB it is already used on this phone. Now let's look at the camera, and this phone has a triple cameras on the back. Here's the camera UI looks like on this phone. We also have a 50 megapixel mode, as you can see in the video mode. In the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps, so that's really good thing. We also have a ultra steady mode which give you a good video stabilization. We also have a bokeh video mode. We also have a video beauty feature. We also have a short video mode, beauty mode, as well as a portrait mode also available on this phone. We also have a super night mode. With the back camera we also have a slow motion, so that's really good thing. On the back we also have pro mode. We also have a panorama. All those things it is available on this phone. So now let's look at the front camera. And guys, on the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the front facing camera looks really nice on this phone, one of the best in this price range. And the front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps, and the short video mode also available with the front camera, as well as a portrait mode and super night mode also available with the front camera. On the front we does not have any slow motion on this phone. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And the fingerprint scanner speed also really fast on this phone. Now let's talk about the battery size of the Infinix Note 12, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 33 watt fast charging. And guys, over I have to say regarding the Infinix Note 12, and the display it is more brighter, and the camera layout it is a little bit changed on this phone, and other than that everything it is exactly the same as the Infinix Note 11. So I recommend to you guys, if you have an Infinix Note 11 and if you want to upgrade on the Infinix Note 12, I would say that and the upgrade is not worth it. Also, and the processor on this phone is a MediaTek Helio G88, which is a really powerful processor in this price range, but no MediaTek Helio G96 as of now in the Pakistan market inside the Infinix Note 12. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Note 12. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for the tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.